A few years ago, I collided with a semi-truck and it tore my hand off.
He was on his way home and he had called me and said he was 30 minutes away. He never came home. My phone rang and it was a sheriff saying, "Your husband was in an accident, you need to get to Springfield." And I got there. The doctor told me he would probably have a traumatic brain injury. His cheekbone was broke, 200 stitches in his face. He ended up losing his arm up to the elbow, severe nerve damage, and not able to smile. That he was alive and okay, and it didn't matter what happened from there on. So I just put my faith in God and rest assured that everything would have been all right, and so far it has been.
The first thing that went through my mind is, how am I going to provide for my family? I was very worried for my children and my wife because I was the sole provider. I work with my hands for a living.
I was told I needed a lawyer, and when I called Bryan Musgrave, I actually got him on the phone. The next day I went and saw him face to face, and I felt very comfortable and assured that he could take care of what needed to be done, so we hired him, and it was a very good choice.
Every time we had a question, they were quick to answer.
It would get worked out very quickly, and that relieved a lot of stress off our shoulders.
One of my favorite things about the firm was that our comfort level was really high, and our stress levels brought very low, almost low to no stress through the whole thing. Bryan was more than a friend than an attorney when I would talk to him. He would just call and say, "Hey, how's it going? Everything going okay?" Not a whole bunch of lawyer verbiage I didn't understand. I highly recommend Bryan Musgrave, mainly because of his personalized service. The way he was able to empathize with us, he did everything we expected him to do and then some.